So we know a lot of rappers get a lot of love in the sneaker community. Eminem has his own Air Jordan 4s and 2s and all these other things out there. Yeezy obviously has his own thing with Adidas. But what about the little fish? Or in this case, the big fish. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a collaboration from a rapper and Converse. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys are trying to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the links in the description, and happy shopping. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys an unboxing of a pair of sneakers that is kind of a cool collab. It's one that just all of a sudden popped up out of nowhere, and then I was like, yep, I'm gonna buy those. Like, there was no question. As soon as I saw who it was, and as soon as I saw the colorways, I was like, okay, what's gonna happen? So I ended up getting one of the two pairs that ended up releasing, and let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. Okay, so we have box right here, and we have a thank you. What a nice gesture. Thanks, Kicks USA. Kicks USA used to send me some stuff here and there. Where's my love? Where's my love nowadays, Kicks USA? No, I ended up buying these ones from them. It's actually a site that I frequent all the time, and I actually send you guys like deals on the website Collective Kicks. I send you guys deals over to Kicks USA all the time, just because I think Kicks USA and Ubiq are like one and the same. I'm not really sure, but both of them are pretty cool sites, and they always have some really good sales over there. So wanted to go ahead and buy these from there. Free shipping, and it was actually faster, I think a week faster than it said it was going to be. So I was kind of excited about that. And we have a pair of Converse. Let's go ahead and show you. Here we go. Here we go. So we have the big fish joints. Check out that big ass fish eye right there. From Vince Staples and Converse. So the first thing to note is they have like an Ortholite insole, which is definitely different than most of the Chucks. So that's kind of nice. So there's a look at the soles. As you can see, it looks like a fish eye on the bottom. And it says made in Vietnam, and then there's nothing on one tongue. And then the other one, it says Converse Chuck Taylor, player's name Vince on the inside. Also, it says Staples on the side of the shoe right here, embroidered in the same color of orange. I'll say that the colors actually look a little bit more sherbet orange than like the darker orange that it looked like online. So that's kind of a bummer, because I definitely like it when the orange is a bit darker. But for $100, I was like, yeah, I'll go ahead and add these to the collection. I definitely like Vince Staples as the artist. He has some pretty cool songs out there. So I don't know, I think that these are a nice addition to the collection. And of course the color is black and orange, Oregon State Beaver kind of themed for me. So like, this is a no-brainer. Vince Staples, orange, black, Converse. This is a win. Am I the only one on the internet that picked these up besides Brad Hall? Because Brad Hall got Vince Staples in his video, which was pretty gangster. But I actually didn't see the full video. I didn't get a chance to watch the whole thing yet, but it looked pretty funny from the little clip I saw. But did you guys scoop these or not? Or the high tops? I definitely like the Chuck lows a little bit better than the highs for the most part. But I think they look pretty clean. So the question of the day, if you guys had $100 to spend on anything else, just one single item, what would you buy? I'm just curious. It'd be kind of funny to see. Be creative in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys end up posting down there. But thanks again for stopping by. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, notification bell, blah, blah, blah. Thumbs up if you guys like to do social thumb things. Videos on the screen at this time if you want to click and watch some of those. Have a good one. I'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace.